guys, I'm so happy you stopped in today for some quick cleaning motivation. If you're new here, my name is Crystal and I enjoy posting cleaning, organization, decorating, and lifestyle content. So please go ahead and subscribe if that interests you so you can join my family. Click the bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get into it.
Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are.
If you are not new here, first of all, thank you so much for returning. It means everything to me. You may know that I am planning to make over my office. The desks that I'm interested in have been on back order since so many people are working and schooling from home. I've kind of neglected the space because it's such a mess, and I really needed to get in here and wipe some things down and vacuum. And the box that's on the floor to the left of your screen is another bookcase to match the one that's in here now. I had it in my living room, but I replaced it with artwork, and I decided to use it in the office. So I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see, because I'm waiting on the desk so I can do everything at one time.
Believe in you and me together, you and me always forever. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. Oh, I will give you everything, whatever. Turn my back on you, no, never. Yeah, I promise I'll be there. 'Cause you're my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none. What you are. You are my number one. You are my number one. Comparable to none.
Make sure you're following me on Instagram if you're not already at crystal_renee_lifestyle. If you are, I'm sure you've already seen the glittery art that I replaced this bookcase with in my living room. And I'm just wiping it down, and you can see I've got all kinds of stuff on there. I've got some of the items that were on there initially, and I've thrown some other things on there in preparation for the makeover.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul. But babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart.
This whole side of the office is still a mess. I at least wanted to wipe off the dust though, but I do plan on getting rid of this piece because it's a printer stand, and I don't know that I'll be getting another printer. I haven't figured out what I want to do with some of that art that's propped up against the wall. I don't think I'm going to keep that plastic container at all, but definitely not in here. So like I said, it is definitely a work in progress. Make sure you've got your notifications on so you can see when I upload my office makeover video whenever I can get a desk.
Seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I'm gonna be lost. Survivor. Now you're all gone, my friend. Paper cuts will
cleaning in here. I did not do the window, but I wanted to wipe off the windowsill, and I saw a large dead fly. So you can see on my face, that was pretty gross, but that just shows you how neglected this office has been, so I'm happy to be taking care of it now.
Will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. 'Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. 'Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts.
Now that the office is tidy and livable, I am headed into the kitchen, just cleaning up from breakfast.
Forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. Strange to be here alone. Yeah.
Guys, please leave me a comment and let me know what you're doing if you're cleaning with me. Also, let me know what spaces you're taking care of today.
Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone. So just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch. And I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone.
I have had someone ask me before what these things are in the bottom of my sinks, and they are sink protectors, and they work really well, and it just helps prevent getting scratches on your sink, but it also helps keep things from breaking. I've had numerous glasses and things slip out of my hand, and the sink protectors have come in clutch to make sure that they do not shatter.
come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch. And I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over. Yeah. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, baby. Yeah.
Summer days, they go shorter. With every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.
Now that my sinks are all clean, in just a second I will drop some lemon essential oil down the drain. I usually alternate that with orange and it smells incredible. Let me know if you guys do this.
Wish I could slow down. Wish I just could stop. Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. And I could just carry on loving you without no trouble like we used to do.
I have been using my fall Mrs. Meyer's scents so much, I decided to give them a break, and I'm using my Jaws Granite Cleaner, which I love as well. I know that after dinner I will be pulling back out the fall apple cider, so I thought I would alternate it today.
Just wish I could. Wish I could stop time. Stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. When the leaves change their colors, you will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.
Here we go, put this miserable song on repeat. Cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't.
The Jaws degreaser works really well for any areas that need it, but I do recommend adding some of the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser with an abrasive sponge if you have any really tough areas.
You don't wanna talk to me, you should know your time is up, I'm out, I'm done. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence. So now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. So you thought I would let this slip.
If you have been enjoying this video and hopefully got some cleaning motivation, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it really does help my channel.
No, that's right. Your words don't mean a thing to me. Sleepless night.
The recycling was the last thing on the list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment letting me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can join my family because I would love to have you. Please take care of yourselves. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. You're on a lifetime sentence.